What's up, you guys? I'm finally popping in here. You guys just saw my morning kind of start off. It was so dark this morning. I was like, I am not filming an intro in the dark. Now that it's fall, like I swear the sun doesn't come up until like 8, and then it doesn't even get semi-bright until like 9:30. So I'm like, I'm gonna just take them with me on my little morning and then I will pop in afterwards. So here we are. It's now like almost 10:30, but I'm excited to kind of do an updated what I eat in a day because I haven't done one of these in so long and I love filming these. I know you guys love watching them, but this one's pretty special because you guys know I've been trying to lose weight for my pregnancy. If you're new to my channel or you missed it, then definitely check out my postpartum body vlog. I kind of give you guys all the details, how much I gained in my pregnancy, and I give you guys like a full clip. Like I should literally take my camera, show you guys what my tummy looks like, what my body looked like postpartum. That was all the way back in July. So we're now in October. I have been taking like my weight loss journey a little bit easy, to be honest with you. It's been obviously just such an adjustment being a mom. So I really wanted to be easy on myself, not put too much pressure to like lose weight super fast and be super strict, because I've been trying to balance being a mom, but also like going out sometimes and having fun. And sometimes it includes going to the movies, eating popcorn and chocolate, or going out to dinner with my sisters. So it's like that balance between losing weight, sticking to my calorie deficit, but also having fun, going out, trying to balance being a mom and still having, you know, time to myself. So I haven't been too strict and putting too much pressure on myself, but I'm pretty proud so far. Actually, I will update you guys on how much weight I've lost so far in just a minute. So stay tuned for that. Literally just a minute, I will update you guys on that. But yeah, I'm excited. Also, I love these cups. I found them from Molly May's Instagram story. I love them. Like, how cute are they? They're everything to drink iced coffee out of, like everything. They look really cute, just with water or iced coffee or just anything. I will link those cups down below. They're from Amazon. Before we get into the video and before I update you guys on how much weight I have lost so far, I want to give a huge shout out to Care Of. First off, I have loved Care Of for forever now. Their vitamins are everything. They're such an amazing brand. They just recently launched their Gut Must collection and I'm obsessed. So this is their chia flax seed. It's like a powder. I have noticed a significant difference ever since I started using this. I noticed my tummy just doesn't look as bloated. I feel a lot more energetic throughout the day. The ingredients are literally just simple and pure. You're not getting any crazy additives. If you look at the ingredients, it's literally just organic chia seed, flax seed, and pea fiber. So this is perfect to mix into your smoothie, sprinkle on top of your yogurt, mix it into your favorite protein shake. You can literally find so many ways to just sneak this in to your day, and I love it. And it also helps to support weight management. And I've also been recently taking their digestive enzymes. What's great about these is they really help your body break down and absorb nutrients efficiently. So if any of you struggle with digestion, you're absolutely going to love these. So for those of you who don't know, Care Of is a monthly subscription service, but what's great about them is it's very easy to manage. You don't have to feel tied down to a subscription because it's super easy to pause. I personally love it because I hate having to like I hate when I've run out of something and then I have to quickly go to the store and grab it. This just shows up right at your doorstep, right on time when you need it. And I also take their multivitamins. You can go ahead and fill out a quick little 5-minute quiz and they'll create a little vitamin pack that is personalized to you. So I absolutely love that. So huge thank you to Care Of for sponsoring today's video. You guys can actually get 50% off your first order with Care Of using my code and link. I'll leave my code on the screen here and I will leave my link down below for you guys to check it out. All right, so I will pop back in with you guys once I'm making some lunch and take you guys through with the rest of my day. Okay, I am literally editing the video and I can see that I completely forgot to update you guys on how much weight I have lost. So I'm popping in here post filming in the middle of editing to update you guys, but I have lost 6 pounds and I'm really happy with that. Could I have lost more if I was more strict? Yes, but was I also in the beginning of postpartum and being a first-time mom, learning how to, you know, be a mom and everything, just so many changes in my life? Yes. So there was a lot going on and I'm really happy with that. So for lunch, I decided to make some Chipotle chicken and kind of just like make a little wrap slash taco with it, I guess you can say. But I am using this chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and what I like to do is blend it all up and then I will use some of that. And I like to just save it in a jar and I'll just use it for the rest of the week to marinate chicken, steak, anything. Adding some garlic to it. Then to season the chicken, I'm using adobo, onion, and some paprika. I'm using a little bit of avocado oil and spraying that in the pan, and then just putting my boneless, skinless chicken breast on there on medium heat. Then I kind of last minute just decided to mix some mayo in with that chipotle sauce and just make like a chipotle mayo. So I went ahead and did that. I also added a little tinge of filtered water just to kind of like make it a little thinner of a consistency. And look how good this chicken looks, you guys. I love that it's super quick to make as well. Also, my little tip is I like to prep my food while Kylo is awake. That way when I put him down for his nap, I really just have to like put the wrap together and I can just go and eat and relax. That way I'm not spending his entire nap like in the kitchen cooking, cleaning and all that. So that's just like a little mom hack. I'm putting cheese on there, popping them in the air fryer. I went ahead and put the sauce on and then I just put them in the air fryer for 2 minutes. Okay, my other mom hack, or just busy plain old life hack, is to have food prepped. So I actually lately have been batch making homemade burgers. So I'll make homemade burgers and just put it in the freezer. And there you go, you have such an easy, quick dinner or lunch. I'm just putting a little bit of water, putting the lid on so it can steam up just to defrost it, just so it can defrost basically. But yeah, these are homemade. I love making them. I'm showing you guys my new pans. They actually got delivered while I was filming this video, so I ended up using my new pans for dinner. I just got these ceramic pans just because I found out recently just how toxic the non-stick pans are, most of them. So I got these non-stick ceramic pans that are non-toxic, and so far I'm really happy with them. But yeah, I'm adding some bacon because your girl loves bacon on her burger. Then I am making this Tabasco sriracha mayo to put on my burger. And these are the buns that I'm using. I'm absolutely in love with them. They taste so good and they are really, really healthy for you because they have really good protein and fiber. And I love putting onions on my cheese, you guys, like directly on it. And then when the cheese melts, the onions just like melt into them. It's just so, so, so good. And yeah, then I'm just putting together my burger. This ended up being super, super delicious. I love making different style burgers, like adding different toppings, different sauces. Now, you guys know I have a major sweet tooth, and I figured out a long time ago that if I deprive myself and restrict myself, I'm just gonna end up binge eating. The way that I stay on track with losing weight is to make sure I'm incorporating my favorites, and I'm obsessed with chocolate. So I love having a chocolate bar or some sort of dessert at the end of the night, and that way it just really curbs my craving, and I don't feel the need to like binge and go crazy because I'm not depriving myself. I'm still including my favorite foods in my deficit. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that I eat to lose weight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.